BJP President JP Nadda has announced party's alliance with the AIDMK ahead of Tamil Nadu elections. Nadda made the announcement in Madurai. This comes weeks after the AIDMK made public that their alliance with the BJP will continue, confirming that the two parties will contest the elections together. JP Nadda said that only BJP can protect Tamil culture. Nadda is also set to visit Puducherry today, while Tamil Nadu goes to the polls likely in April and May this year.
In coming times, I would like to share with you and declare here that Bharatiya Janata Party has decided that in coming times, in the elections, BJP, along with All India Anna DMK and along with the like-minded parties, will be going for the election.
All right, for more on this story, I'm joined by my colleague Mugilan on the broadcast. Mugilan, a very good morning to you. The BJP and the AIDMK have fought elections together in 2019 also, and this time the AIDMK is hoping to trump its rival DMK. What I wanted to understand is, has anything changed this time around? And remember, this latest announcement has given rest to the speculation that there was a rift between the AIDMK and the BJP.
Definitely, yes. The BJP has now officially confirmed its alliance with AIDMK for the upcoming 2021 Assembly elections, because AIDMK confirmed their alliance with BJP in the month of November, and from there on we have seen that there was no official confirmation that is coming from anyone from the party's top command. And yesterday, after almost 2 months, the BJP has confirmed the alliance with AIDMK, because there were speculations that there is a rift between AIDMK and BJP in facing the assembly elections together. But now, putting an end to all these speculations, we have seen now that the BJP has confirmed the alliance with the AIDMK, and BJP chief JP Nadda has also said that they will be facing the elections along with AIDMK and the other like-minded parties, because there were confusion from November, right from the day one, when EPS and OPS made the announcement that they will be facing the assembly elections with the BJP. There were speculations because BJP was not ready to accept EPS as the CM candidate for their alliance. There were several speculations, there were several political drama that were unfolding in the both camps, and last month we heard it from the BJP Tamil Nadu in charge CT Ravi, who said that they are ready to accept EPS as their CM candidate for the alliance, because AIDMK is a major party in the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned. So putting all these speculations to end, now BJP has confirmed its alliance with the AIDMK to face the assembly elections, and 2019 they fought the parliamentary elections together, and they drew a blank. Almost all the seats were won by the DMK alliance. So now the AIDMK still believes that by tying up with BJP, they can pull a victory for the third time in the upcoming elections.